The 10 best oils for mustaches on the market. Every male wants a good-looking mustache, at least, those who grow it do. Otherwise, why would they grow it in the first place, right? But here's the thing, trimming alone will hardly keep your mustache in healthy condition. You need to use mustache oils to maintain these cute facial hairs. The problem is, how do you know the best oils for mustaches? The best oils for mustaches are formulated using botanicals that improve the shine and health of the hairs on your upper lip. Some of these ingredients include jojoba, argan, grapeseed, and tea tree. The Honest Amish, Cremo, Ranger, and Wisdom mustache oils are some of the best brands on the market. There is more to mustache oils than just the brand name, fanciful packaging, and marketing strategy. Good quality mustache oils don't only work as advertised, but also complement other beard products. Any beard or mustache care product in your arsenal needs to be combined with these oils to work effectively. Read on to learn the proper use of mustache oils and how to choose good quality ones. And, just in case you have a light mustache, here's something I suggest you do first before buying any beard or mustache oil. What are mustache oils? There's no better place to start learning about the best oils for a mustache than knowing exactly what these products are, what's in them, and what they are formulated to do. So, let's start by getting a clear picture of mustache oils, shall we? Mustache oils are basically beard oils. They are leave-in conditioners that condition your mustache to make them soft and smooth. These oils also provide necessary hydration for your hair and nourish the skin under your cute mustache. If you're just getting into the mustache growing game, you may likely experience itches, irritations, and flaky dandruff on your hair. Instead of completely shaving off your mustache, you need to understand why these little annoyances happen, and how using oils can prevent the situation. The sebaceous glands at the root of your hair follicles secrete oil known as sebum. I know this may start to sound a bit like a biology class, but it's necessary to give you a clear picture of what happens when your hairs feel all itchy. As your hair grows longer, more sebum oil is needed to moisturize and nourish the skin. However, since your oil-secreting glands can't keep up with the job of oiling your lengthy hair, your follicles will begin to dry out and cause itchiness, irritation, and flakiness. Mustache oils work in the same way as the sebum oil. Thus, using them regularly will provide the much-needed coating for your hair follicles to nourish and moisturize your mustache and skin. But is this explanation actually necessary? Yes, indeed it is. Besides showing you how mustache oil works, it also helps you differentiate between mustache oil and mustache wax, a similar product that many people confuse for mustache oil. What's in good quality mustache oil? With so many brands on the market, you need to be sure about what to look for in mustache oils. Any good quality oil for your stash should contain a combination of 2 or more of these carrier oils. Jojoba provides deep moisturizing and is highly effective for taming wiry hair. Argan softens the skin under your mustache and prevents wrinkling. Grapeseed helps prevent ingrown hairs and acne by opening up the pores on your skin. Coconut provides excellent moisturizing effects and is particularly helpful in warmer climates. Castor protects your skin from flakiness, dryness, and irritation. Almond minimizes inflammation and prevents the development of ingrown hairs. Hazelnut provides adequate hydration for your skin and protects your skin from acne and eczema. Apart from carrier oils, the best mustache oils contain essential oils, too. Think of them like the pepperoni toppings on your pizza. Essential oils add that extra kick to mustache oils. They are added to provide antibacterial and antifungal protection. When choosing mustache oils, look for one that contains quality essential oils, such as tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, fir needle oil, and pinewood oil. If you need to pay a little extra to get these oils, it will be worth every penny, especially if you want to prevent irritations or itching. Lastly, many mustache oils contain fragrance, whereas a few are fragrance-free. It is important to note that oils that use synthetic-based fragrance will last longer than those with a natural-based fragrance. Also, results are typically slower when you use all-natural oil products. However, they will be the best types of oils for your mustache skin and the environment at large. How to use mustache oil? There's nothing complicated about using mustache oil. You don't have to be an Einstein to learn how to use the product, but you need to know how to use it correctly to get the most out of it. Wash your mustache with warm water. If you want the best results, your mustache needs to be clean before you apply oil to it. A good time to use mustache oil is after bathing or washing your face because your hair follicles are still warm, and your skin pores are open to absorb the oil easily. You don't necessarily have to wash with shampoo. Warm water will do just fine. Towel dry your mustache after washing before applying oil. Place drops of oil on your fingertip. Place some drops of oil on your fingertips or into your palm. The exact amount you need will vary depending on your mustache and what you want to achieve, more on that below. Then, rub your fingers or palms together slightly to warm up the oil before rubbing it on your mustache. Massage the oil into your skin and hair. Work the oil into the skin under your mustache. Gently massage the skin to make sure the oil gets to your hair follicles. Use your index finger and thumb to spread the oil throughout the hair and the tips of your mustache. Brush and style your mustache. Go ahead and brush or comb your mustache. You can apply wax too and style it in whatever way you prefer. There are tons of videos online on how to use mustache oil, but I find this one very succinct and apt. It shares helpful tips on the use of mustache oil. 10 best oils for mustaches. Now, let's get to the crux of the matter. You don't have to worry about searching through the plethora of mustache oils on the market because Beard Guidance has done the heavy lifting for you. Here is a list of my 10 best 10 oils for your face fuzz on the market, from the top pick to the least. 1. Honest Amish, Classic Beard Oil. My top pick for the best mustache oil is none other than the Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil. This beard oil works amazingly well for beards and mustaches, too. It is formulated with all natural ingredients, including 7 carrier oils and 7 essential oils. The brand is tested and trusted by thousands of men across the world, so you can be rest assured that you will get the highest quality when you buy this product. 2. Wisdom Premium Beard Oil. Looking for quality oil that smells really nice? Look no further. Wisdom Premium Beard Oil is indeed a premium brand that any classy man would love to have. Its woody and deep earthy scent comes with a slight hint of a fresh citrus smell. This product is great for repairing dry skin, soothing itchiness, and giving your mustache an attractive shine. 3. Cremo Beard Oil. If you don't want mustache oils that will clash with your cologne, then the Cremo Unscented Beard Oil is what you're looking for. Besides being paraben-free, it contains only non-fragrant oils. This oil is perfect for soothing itches and irritations caused by ingrown hairs. It also restores the skin's natural moisture and stimulates the growth of healthy mustache. On the other hand, perhaps the best thing about this oil is its effectiveness considering its relatively low price when compared with other brands. 4. Ranger Fragrance-Free Beard Oil. If you are sensitive to fragrance, it can be a choking experience to have scented oil right under your nose. Fortunately, this next product is formulated for those who don't like strong fragrances in their mustache oils. The Ranger Fragrance-Free Beard Oil is made from 100% organic ingredients, and it includes argan and jojoba oils. Ranger is not just about no-scent oil, it is one of the best when it comes to combating beard rough. 5. Honest Amish, Premium Beard Oil. This is the second oil from the world-renowned Honest Amish brand to make this list, and it is here for good reason. The Premium Beard Oil from Honest Amish is an upgrade to the earlier classic version, containing both jojoba and argan, whereas most other brands would have either of these carrier oils. It is formulated to nourish and hydrate your hair while offering protection against itchy skin and flakiness. This product is more expensive than the classic version, but that is to be expected considering its quality and efficacy. 6. Badass Beard Care Beard Oil. This beard oil indeed lives up to its name. It comes with a rich sandalwood and vanilla smell, giving you a unique class and style. It also comes with completely rich organic food-grade ingredients. If you want a soft, full, and healthy mustache, Badass Beard Care Oil is the right choice. It contains ingredients to get rid of itchy and flaky skins, encouraging thicker and faster hair growth. It can also help you repair split ends, tame flyaway hairs, and give you a healthy and manly physique. 7. Premium Beard Oil Conditioner. This is your ticket to a perfect beard. Premium Beard Oil Conditioner of Profits and Tools was formulated with natural ingredients that will restore, protect, and bring your beards back to life. It works well for everyone, irrespective of age, race, or skin color. Only 3 drops of premium beard oil will do the magic. It is ideal for use after showering or as part of your morning routine. The component is non-greasy, and your hair will absorb it quickly. It contains natural ingredients like chamomile, jojoba, and aloe vera. Premium beard oil can also improve your beard growth speed. 8. Deluxe Edition 3-Pack Beard Oil. Want a beard that will present you as a true gentleman? 3X Beard Oil is a terrific choice. This is a beard oil rich in essential nutrients to nurture your beards and prevent itching and thinning facial hair. Again, a product of Profits and Tools, Deluxe Edition 3-Pack Beard Oil that uses natural ingredients and vitamins exclusively. The scent is heavenly as well. You will love it. Deluxe 3-Pack Beard Oil will moisturize, condition, and soften your beard and mustache. It does not contain nuts and is suitable for vegans. 9. Beard Farmer, Growler Beard Growth Oil. Made with completely natural beard oil, Growler Beard Growth Oil contains cold-pressed essential oil. It was made from natural and non-volatile oils with a neutral scent. With this beard oil, you can reduce break, moisturize your beards, keep it healthy, and avoid brittle and split ends. Your beards will shine when you start using this oil. This handcrafted beard oil will heal and repair dry or damaged hair. The light blend of citrus and cedar aroma will not overpower your senses. 10. Pure Jojoba Organic Beard Oil. If you are not a fan of scented beard oil, you will love Pure Jojoba Organic Beard Oil. Everyone, irrespective of skin type, can use it. It reduces the risk of developing acne and dandruff and gets rid of irritation and itching. Pure Jojoba Beard Oil prides itself as the only organic beard oil in the market. Using it will make your skin very soft and attractive. It relieves inflammation, regulates the pH level of your skin, and encourages healthy hair growth. Conclusion. Many people assume that there's no need to put much effort into growing a nice-looking mustache. If you don't care for your mustache, it will have no option but to grow willy-nilly. For some others, caring for a mustache means regular trimming only. Nevertheless, your mustache needs more care beyond lining a nice trim. Regular application of oil will give it a good shine, smooth feel, and, most importantly, moisturize and nourish your skin. Using mustache oil will provide your mustache with adequate protection against environmental hazards, as well as skin irritation, itches, and beardruff. Consider choosing from any of the recommended products, and you'll be glad about your results. Remember that donning a good-looking mustache will also boost your self-confidence. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.